Hey guys, I'm going to do a tutorial, I guess, of how to put these lanterns together. So this is my bottom piece with the light already taped in. I have it going through the back hole. I have my front piece. I put in the opposite side that the cord is going to come out. I have my side piece. Sorry, this is kind of my first time using this thing. Make sure when you put these in that the good side is going out. So just put it into there. This one, I use different pieces of wood, so it's a little bit loose, but the one that you get should fit pretty tight with the slots that we have cut. Then you just take your top piece. If you're going to put the back piece on, you'd put that in first, but this piece I did that has the back that just slides in. If it's too tight, you can kind of like smack it just a smidge. So it's pretty much all together. This back piece, you just slide it in and it fits snugly into the back. It'll hold on. That's a really nice option if you are going to have a tea light or something that you need to get in and out of. The other option you can have is you can glue the top on and then leave the bottom unglued if you're going to glue them. And then the last piece is putting your top on. Let's see if I can lift this up a little. Okay, so then you have your light. It's all put together.